As you can tell by my sweater, today I am making an ugly knitted sweater. This is a cross-stitch cake and it's pretty time consuming. It took me about 3 hours to pipe all the X's on this cake, but the look of it is so awesome. It looks like an actual mini knitted sweater. As always, everything you're gonna need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this.
Start by getting your favorite cake. You can use vanilla, chocolate, funfetti, or anything you like. I will leave my recipe below for my vanilla cake. Bake it off and then get your sweater stencil. Here I'm just trimming out the sweater shape with my paring knife. And then just carefully trace out the sweater from this. Remove all the excess. You can keep that and make some cake balls if you'd like, or just eat it and snack on it. And there's the sweater shape cake. Then I'm going to do my crumb coat on here. I'm using a pink frosting because I'm going to make my sweater pink. You can use any color you like. You can do any design you like. I will leave my recipe for my buttercream in the description box as well. Just put a thin layer of frosting, chill it in the fridge for about an hour just until it hardens, and then you can do your final coat on there. And then here I'm just cleaning off the edges and cleaning off the arms as best as possible. I'm using this plastic mesh to be able to mark out my square so I can follow where the X's are going. And then here I'm marking off the neck. And then I'm starting my X's. Put 10 lines per square, marking here with the X's. I'm making my gingerbread man. I'm using a number 2 tip for this. I recommend using 2 or 1 as they will get a finer detail. My mistake is I did switch over to a 1 tip, while I recommend you should just keep it to a 2 if you're making a gingerbread man. It looks much better. And also I added some white for the frosting details and for the sweater details on the neck and on the arms. I added little white lines. I didn't like how the red came out, so then I ended up just putting pink over it. Again, you can use any design you like, or you can keep to this and make it your own. Here I'm marking the arms, giving that little white detail. And then I was filling out the rest of the sweater with the pink, and I would put sprinkles on it, as you can see here. And I didn't want to show you everything because it's boring and time consuming, but here's that final ugly knitted Christmas sweater cake.
I hope you enjoyed this cake video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. This was absolutely so much fun to make. It came out looking so cute but so ugly at the same time. You can always customize it, make it your own, put your own little decorations on there if you do decide to make this cake. And if you want to see pictures of this and everything I've been making for 12 days of baked goods, I do post on Instagram, Tumblr, Facebook, and Twitter, and all those links are in the description box as well. If you want to keep up to date with the recipes I post, hit the subscribe button as well. If you want to leave a suggestion for a future video, put it in the comments down below. And until next time, stay sweet.